Hey guys, it's Karolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have an unboxing video for you guys. So, a group of us got together and we decided to do a rosettes collab swap kind of thing. So we needed to make 5 embellished rosettes. That was the requirement for this swap. So I will have all the other girls linked down below that participated. My swap partner was Kayla from KaylaKrafts830, and yeah, I'm so excited to open this up. So I thought I would do an unboxing. All I did was open up the top flap so far because it has our addresses on it, but other than that, this is what we're going to unbox together. So again, links are down below to everybody else that participated, so you can watch their videos of what they received and also what they sent out, and yeah, anything else is down below. Alright, so let's get started. So what I'm probably going to do here first is just, oh my gosh, I love just like looking at all this prettiness. It's so gorgeous. I think this goes this way because I see the hello placed this way. So I think this goes like this in here. I'm going to read this. So it just says hello. She did kind of like some scripty kind of calligraphy style. And let me see what she wrote here. Oh, she's so sweet. So she just said she's happy that she's partnered up with me. Hopes I like everything. She said the eyelets that she got me is a gift, so don't worry about it. And the yarn, she said she tried to give me a variety of colors because I said like I don't have yarn and I really wanted to make more of like the ice cream embellishments and stuff like that. Oh, thank you so much. Look at this. So pretty. I'm seeing like that already. Like, thank you so much, Kayla. Oh my God, look how gorgeously this is packaged up. Oh, I'm seeing the, I think this is the Willow Lane collection. Oh my God, look at her gorgeous layered rosettes. These are her rosettes right here. And look, she even added this fun little tassel to the packaging. Oh, and she attached it with a cute little like, one of those clip things. Oh, I love it, so I could reuse it. Oh my God, look at this trim. There's like this hearts. Oh, I love that tool. Oh, look at this one. I got like polka dots. Ooh, this one, I think this one's from Target. I have it somewhere. Why don't I use this stuff like this? I love this color mint pom-pom trim. I need this in my life. I don't have this color. I tried to get one and it ended up being way too bright. So I'm going to message her and ask her. But here are her rosettes. Oh my God, I feel like I need to open this so I can really show you guys the dimensions. So hold on a second. And she backed it on this acetate. Oh, I could reuse that for a whole bunch of stuff. I could craft with it. I could just reuse it for this. Like, oh, yes. Thank you so much, Kayla. Are you guys seeing these rosettes? Look what of a good job she did. Oh my God, I love how she layered the back with like a doily. They're so fancy. Oh, and she did vellum rosettes. How adorable are these? They're so cute. Okay, so there's this one that has a doily in the background, if you guys could see like that pink, a vellum, a rosette. She has layered this floral piece, this little housey, cherries, heart, some thread, and then it says wonderful you and some gemmies. How pretty! This one says live life in full bloom. Again, she has like the thread, some gemmies and stuff. Oh my God, they're so pretty. Look how chunky they are. I mean, I think her rosette is just like super chunky, really cute. Oh my God, look at this one. It says time for tea. I love it. That one's so cute. I hope you guys are seeing this. Like, I keep trying to refocus the camera so you guys can see. Ah, more thread. Look, she stitched on all of these like little pieces. I love it. You did such a good job, Kayla. I need a redo on my rosettes. I mean, I thought mine turned out good, but like I really like yours. Oh my God, and look at these. These are extra chunky. She did a double layer rosette. So she has the vellum and then she has a paper one that she stitched around. She stitched around on this this little flag also on chipboard. Then she has a butterfly. She has a heart. Look, and then she has, oh my God, she did like that paper stuff. I still need to make some of those paper things. Then added like a trim and then yay, and she stitched on that as well. And then here, again, another little chunky one. She has like some of that beautiful, what is this, like trim or something in the background. And just layered a whole bunch of goodies stitched around this flag. Oh, I'm loving it. Thank you so much, Kayla. And this one says happy, happy. Oh, I love these. Oh, you did such a good job on this. Thank you so much. Other stuff in here, we got so much yarn. Thank you so much for sending me all this yarn. I'm so excited to get crafting with this. Oh my gosh, you sent me so much yarn. I am so excited. Thank you so much. And look, here she has some bows. Did you make these? Look at these gorgeous bows, guys. Can you see that? They're like so glittery. I'm gonna open it up. Oh my god, and look at this little bag. It's like hearts. Where did you get this heart bag? Oh, I love. Thank you so much. Look at these, guys. Look how shiny, sparkly, glittery these are. Like, did you seriously make these? How? I love them so much. Oh my gosh, yes. These are so going into my bow stash. I'm not going to want to use them, but I'm going to have to. But they're so cute. I love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Then here's the eyelets that she gifted me. Here are the eyelets that she gifted me. These are from Hobby Lobby, and I really wanted these because of the little stars in here. So there's little like star eyelets that I saw her use in a project, and I was like, oh my gosh, they're so cute. She sent me a link, but then I didn't get a chance to order it yet. So she went to like Hobby Lobby and picked some up for me. Thank you so much, Kayla. Oh, and I love that it comes in a little storage case so that I can like store some more stuff in it when I run out. Thank you so much, and I really hope you used a coupon for this, girly. Please tell me you used a coupon. And look at this bag. It's like hearts. I love it. Then, as you guys are seeing here, she did send me a whole bunch of yarn. I'm so excited to make little like embellishments with this, like the little ice creams and stuff. I'm so excited. I have literally like no yarn. I had like samples that I got in like a Wish, and I used up a whole bunch of yarn and like those other ice creams that I made, like this guy and stuff. Like I used up a whole bunch of yarn for that. So on one of the other ones, I actually used up all the colors of yarn that I had. It was like a yellow and pink. I used up all the yarn that I had because it was just what was in the sample. So she sent me a whole bunch, and I could make some more. And look at this one. It got little glitter in it. Oh my god, I love. And this minty colored one, and this corally colored one. I'm loving it. Thank you so much. Then there's this light pink one, this darker purple, this lavender. Look how pretty. These are so fun. There's this blue. Look at this turquoise. Thank you so much. This purpley one. This one, look, this one has glitter in it too. Oh my gosh, guys. Can you guys see that up close? It's like shiny specks in here. Oh, I love it. Then there's this orange one. Yellow. Oh my god, she hooked me up, guys, with all the yarn. This like a mauve color, I guess. Look at this one. It has all that glittery specks in it also. She literally hooked me up, guys. And then there's this one. I love. Thank you so much. And then we have one more crafty goodie in here. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's two. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, little seed beads. Thank you so much. I love her little baggies and stuff. Oh, they're so cute. So let's open this one first. Look how holographic they are. I actually ordered some recently on AliExpress, but obviously they haven't come in yet because I just ordered them. So look, she sent me some glass beads, like seed bead things. Look, there's like this, what is this, a dark pink. I love them. I love seed beads, and I've been using them a whole bunch, especially making my little ice cream kind of charms. Look, there's this one, this beautiful turquoisey color. Thank you so much. This coral. Oh, I love them. Thank you, Kayla. And then these ones as well. These are like a clear with some mint as well. Look how pretty these glass beads are. They're so pretty. Thank you so much, Kayla. I love them. I cannot wait to get to crafting with these. And then here is the last thing. Then then here is the last thing that she sent me. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to open this. It's like one of those boxes that has like the little milk cartons in here. Oh my goodness. And where do you guys all get these gigantic bags? I need to like find these giant sized bags. I never have anything to like wrap my bigger things in. Do you guys hear those fireworks or something that people are just doing outside right now? I don't know. It seems like my neighbors are having like a party today, but I'm like, what are you guys doing? We're supposed to be like at home, not engaging with anybody. Like, what are people doing? I don't know. Okay, so I'm trying to open this. Oh my goodness. It's getting stuck to my other stuff that I need to do a haul video on. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh, I love all the shred. I'm so keeping this. Such pretty shred. Ah, the straw got a little bent up in transit. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to keep the shred in here. Stay. Okay, I tried to save the straw. Look at this, guys. This is gorgeous. Look at all the detail on here, guys. She stitched along all of this. Oh my goodness, I love it. She's making me want to use the Willow Lane collection. Like, I haven't really gotten a chance to play with it yet. I used a couple of like the pieces, but wow, she did like such a good job. I love it. Thank you so much, girly. And look, she added, oh my god, all these little charms up here. I still got to open up all the boxes, but like, oh, I love this little tassel. So sparkly. I love this. I need to make some of those. And then there's this hot pink one, a whole thing of them. And then I don't know what this was for. Oh, that was just to hold this closed. Okay. Oh my goodness. Look at all the detail, all the stitching. She even has like this little thing up here. I haven't made one of these yet, but this is gorgeous. And it's so going to be displayed in my craft room. I love it so much. Okay, so let's see what is inside of here. Here is one of the little boxes. Isn't it gorgeous? Guys, I am in love. So when you open this up, it's like a little milk carton box. Oh, she has a whole bunch of rosettes. Thank you so much. Like a little rosettes that I could decorate. Oh my god, she hooked me up. She sent me a whole bunch. Thank you so much. And she stitched on all of these guys. Look at this. I need to ask her like how she made her vellum ones too. Look at all of these rosettes, guys. So pretty. And then there's this one. And then this one as well. She hooked me up, guys, and I love all the stitching around it. I have yet to like stitch on some rosettes. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm loving it all. And then there's this one, this little boxy or milk carton. Oh my god, and she gifted me some of the vellum rosettes. Yes, thank you so much. I gotta ask her, like, how did you make these? These are so gorgeous. I absolutely love these. They're so stunning, and I love that they're bigger than the other ones, so I could just, like, layer them on top, kind of like how she did. Like, yes, look, it just makes it look extra cute. I love it. Thank you so much for sending me some of those. And she gave me some of those doily things, too. So then she layered these underneath here. I feel like this is, like, my own little kit to make some more. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Kayla. Oh my god, I love everything, and I love this glitter paper. It doesn't shed or anything. Like, I love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I love everything you sent me. Thank you so much, Kayla, for swapping with me and being my swap partner. I love it all. And I've never gotten one of these bad boys yet, so thank you so much. Oh, I'm so excited to craft with all of these goodies. I love it. Alright guys, so that is it for everything that I got from Kayla. She is again KaylaKrafts830 on Instagram and YouTube. And then I'm also going to have all the other ladies that participated in this Rosettes collab swap linked down below for you guys, so you guys could check them out, see what they received, see what they sent out. And you guys could get some ideas on these amazing, gorgeous, embellished rosettes, and just to see what everybody else included in the Happy Mail. But oh, these are so stunning. I am in love. Thank you again so much, Kayla, for swapping with me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.